Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sherry from Sherry Beauty Stuff. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today, we're gonna try a new beauty hacks that I saw on Instagram. I was looking at Instagram I think the other day, and then I was saw this post, and it is from YesStyle. This is not a sponsored, I just saw it in their website, so I have to give them a credit. And this is very easy, and I hope it will work because this is the first time that I'm gonna do it. So what they did is just put all the makeup like that in your face. So I have um foundation here from Bye Bye Foundation. It Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer, and color is medium. So that's my foundation, and I also have a Clinique. This is for contour. So yeah, and Too Faced concealer, Born This Way concealer, and blush from Porlis Blush Glow BB Chick color, and that is what color is this? Cool mauve. I never had this foundation before, so let's put all that in dots. I'll show you the products, and I'll put that in my face, and let's see if it works. Okay, I'm a little bit closer. So let's start with the concealer, and I just saw them that they just gonna put dots of the concealer, whatever they want to put. Yeah, like that. Oh. And then what's next? Maybe contour. So I wish I have like, oh, it's not really. By the way, I already have put, what is this? Why it's not working? Okay, it's a little bit big. Like that, maybe. And then here, I don't have liquid what is this, bronzer, so I think it's easy if it's like, what is that, liquid. And then we have, maybe I'll put it here on the side. And then blush. I'm a little bit scared. Okay, blush. Oh my gosh. So blush here, kind of like that. It's not really working, huh? Like, okay. Oh my gosh. Let me put here. It's not really working. Maybe because this blush, it's like dark light, it's mauve. So that's it. And then oh my god. And then foundation. Let me put the foundation here and just, put it all over the face here and touch. Oh my god, how will you mix all of this? Ooh. Like that. And touch. Okay, it's time to blend our face, and I think I saw them using brush to blend your blush and contour, so let's do that. Oh my god, by the way, I wet my brush with Mario de Badesco because I don't want, oh my god, is it working? Oh, hello. Yeah, I hope it blends. Ooh. Ooh. and then we'll use this sponge. Okay, this is our face. I already blend all my makeup, I think. What do you think, guys? I don't know. You know what? It takes like, I would say, not even 3 minutes, like 2 minutes. And, everything is already blend, I think. What do you think? Is it hack? Is it easy? I don't put powder yet, so everything is just the liquid right now. And I have to put makeup on my neck. So let me put powder, and then I'll be back of my thoughts of this hack. Okay, this is our final look, and our thoughts is, what do you think, guys? Like, I can see I still have like contour here on the top of my head, but I'm not sure if I have contour or a blush. I don't know. I think this one, if you want to do this and you're in a hurry, or maybe you want to go, I think, like groceries, sure, because you know what, you're just gonna put mask. But if you want to be glam, you want to be snatch, you want to be like contour and all of that, I don't think, or maybe I don't put too much contour, that's why too much contour. I mean, I don't put more contour and blush, and I think my blush is too light. I don't know. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Do you think you can do this challenge? I challenge you, if you want to watch this, if you want to do this, please tag me and let me know how is it. Like, I want to see everyone doing it because it's kind of fun. It's very quick also. So yeah, it's like looking at my face, it's like it's there. I can see it. Like my foundation, I would say, like my foundation looks beautiful, but I need more contour, I think. Maybe I can put more, huh? What do you think? So yeah, let me know, comment down below if you want to do this hack, and if it works on you. So let me know, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you love my content. And don't forget that there's always someone who loves you.